Hi, I'm Kaitlin Di Pierdomenico, and I am a recent graduate of the PhD program of Health Policy and Equity here at York University. My research is focused on mental health, so improving overall mental health across populations, as well as access to appropriate and accessible mental health services. So throughout my doctoral studies, I compared mental health reform, which looks at the shift from institutionalized-based mental health care to community-based mental health care services and supports across 3 nations, so Canada, Australia, and the UK, looking at the scale and pace of changes in order to advance mental health equity across the world. I am passionate about mental health equity and advancing social justice in mental health care. I'm sure most of us, through directly or indirectly through a loved one, have experienced the challenges in finding accessible and timely mental health care. This is a clear gap in our system that needs to be addressed, and I have a clear passion in doing so. I enjoy connecting with community needs and wants, being able to amplify and empower communities to share their voices in shaping policy trajectories. I think nothing can be done in policy without looking at the communities most impacted by these policies. I hope my research will impact future researchers, activists, and policymakers to inform them on how best to advance mental health equity, as well as how to improve access to mental health care services and supports to ensure that the mental health care systems are responsive to the communities they intend to serve. I'm currently a visiting postdoctoral fellow in the psychology department here at York University, and my research is exploring digital mental health interventions for children and youth aimed at preventing the onset of mental health challenges, as well as promoting overall mental health. I also teach a second-year course in the School of Global Health titled Social Determinants of Health, Local to Global. My plan is to continue on in my postdoctoral research, aiming to publish that research, as well as work towards publishing my doctoral research. And my goal and hopes for the future is that I can continue on in academia as a professor and researcher.